Good morning students. Today we are going to take one more problem under straight line method. Okay, using straight line method of depreciation we are going to take one more problem, and in this problem you all have many calculations like the asset which is brought is sold. So you have to find out whether there is a profit or whether there is a loss, how much is the depreciation. So such kind of problems will be coming for the exam. So question is, on 1st Jan 2015, Scon Transport Pune purchased 4 trucks for rupees 25,000 each. So उन्होंने कितने ट्रक परचेज किए? They have purchased 4 trucks of rupees 25,000 each. Okay. Depreciation has been provided at 10% per annum using straight line method. ओके तो उन्होंने क्या किया? दे हैव परचेज 4 ट्रक्स ऑफ रुपीज़ 25,000 ईच. ओके and there are 4, so you have to calculate depreciation on 4 truck. So next is what? On 1st Jan 2016, okay, 1st Jan 2016 one truck was sold for rupees 20,000. मतलब ये 25,000 के जो 4 ट्रक थे उसमें से 1 ट्रक what they have done, they have sold for 20,000. On 1st July 2016, another truck that was purchased for rupees 25,000 on 1st Jan 2015 was sold for rupees 22,000. तो दूसरा जो ट्रक है it was sold on 1st July 2016. Another new truck which was costing rupees 40,000 was purchased on 1st Jan 2017. So they have brought another truck of rupees 40,000 on 1st Jan 2017. So you are required to prepare truck account, depreciation account for first 3 years. मतलब यहाँ पे हम लोगों को डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट कितने ईयर तक करना है? फॉर 3 years. अज्यूमिंग दैट द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स आर क्लोज्ड ऑन 31st March ईच ईयर. ओके तो हमारा बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट कब क्लोज होता है? इट इज क्लोजिंग ऑन 31st March ईच ईयर. ओके तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द प्रॉब्लम. फर्स्ट थिंग इज हम लोगों को जब हम लोग गुड्स परचेज करते हैं, ओके, सो फर्स्ट एंट्री विल बी वॉट एवर असेट दैट इज ब्रॉड. ओके सो दैट इज हियर द असेट इज व्हाट? ट्रक. सो ट्रक अकाउंट टू बैंक अकाउंट. दिस इज द फर्स्ट जर्नल एंट्री व्हेन सम असेट इज परचेज. ओके तो हमारे यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? व्हाट दे हैव टोल्ड दैट दिस ट्रक हैज बीन परचेज फॉर 4 trucks हैज बीन परचेज फॉर रुपीज 25 each. मतलब 25 multiply by 4, 1 lakh. 1 lakh rupees के 4 ट्रक they have purchased. Okay, so in the books of Scon Transport Pune, truck account, debit, credit, date, particulars, JF, amount rupees, date, particulars, JF, amount rupees. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to prepare the ledger of the particular asset. Okay, तो हमारी फर्स्ट एंट्री क्या है? ट्रक अकाउंट टू बैंक अकाउंट. सो 2000 on 1st Jan 2015 the truck was purchased. So Jan 1 2015 to bank account 1 lakh. Okay, that is the 4 trucks which are purchased. Now at the end of the year what we are supposed to do? We have to calculate depreciation. So let's calculate depreciation. Now this truck, ये जो truck है, they were purchased on which date? 1st Jan 2015. Okay, to 1st Jan 2015 they were purchased. तो हम लोगों को क्या करना है ना? दिस ट्रक हमारा ईयर एंड कब होता है? 31st March 2015. Okay, and these were purchased on 1st Jan 2015. So how many months it has been used? Jan to Feb to March, 1st March to 31st March. So it has been used for 3 months. ओके हम लोगों ने कितने महीने यूज़ किए? उसको 3 months यूज़ किए. सो हाउ यू विल कैलकुलेट डेप्रिसिएशन? दैट इज जैन फेब मार्च, ओके 3 महीने का हम लोगों को डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट करना है. सो व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ द मशीनरी? ईच मशीनरी इज कॉस्टिंग हाउ मच? ईच मशीनरी इज कॉस्टिंग 25,000. okay, multiply by 3 divided by 12 multiply by 10 upon, sorry, let me do it again, 25,000 multiply by 3 divided by 12 multiply by 10 upon 100. The answer is 625. okay, 625 of one truck. okay, एक ट्रक का कितना हो गया डेप्रिसिएशन? 625. नाउ हमारे 4 ट्रक का कितना होगा? 625 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 विल गिव अस 2500. हमारा डेप्रिसिएशन कितना है? 2500. दिस इज ऑफ 4 ट्रक. ओके, सो हियर 2015 31st March by depreciation account, that is the 4 truck A B C D, 4 trucks. okay, it is 2500. now the next step is balance both the accounts. so here on the debit side the balance is 1 lakh and on the credit side balance is only 25,000. that means there is a difference on the credit side. so tally both the side. 1 lakh 2015 March 31st by balance carried down, that is 1 lakh minus 2,500 will give you 97,500. okay, now this 97,500, what we are going to do? We have to transfer it on the as a opening balance for the next year. so when it is opening balance, when the year ends on 31st March, the next month will be the opening balance, that is 2015 April 1 to balance brought down. okay, now this year will start on 1st April 2015 and it will end on 31st March 2016. so there is one, what you call, there is one calculation, that is on 1st Jan 2016 one truck was sold for rupees 20,000. ये 25,000 के जो ट्रक थे उसमें से एक ट्रक क्या किया? they have sold for 20,000. so let's do the calculation of that. so that was what? on 1st Jan 2016. okay, here there is a calculation, I'll show it to you only. so we have to calculate whether there is a profit or a loss on sale of truck, that is on 1st Jan 2016. now when the truck was purchased, it was purchased on 1st Jan 2015. okay, कितना हुआ उसका? 25,000 is what? द कॉस्ट ऑफ द ट्रक. ओके, हम लोगों ने कितने में परचेज किया था? 25,000 को परचेज किया. लेस 10% डेप्रिसिएशन अप टू द सेल. सो पहले साल का कितना था? 625 एंड सेकेंड साल का, डेट इज इट इज यूज ओनली टिल 1st Jan 2015. तो हम लोगों ने कब से यूज़ किया सेकेंड ईयर को? 1st April 2015 टू 1st Jan 2016 till the date of sale. तो कितना आएगा? अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर. सो इट इज़ यूज ओनली फॉर 9 months. तो हम लोगों को 9 months का डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेट करना है. सो हाउ यू विल कैलकुलेट? दैट इज 25,000 multiply by 9 upon 12 multiply by 10 upon 100 will give you 1,875. okay, so it is used only for 9 months. so the depreciation amount कितना है उसका? 1,875. so total comes to 2,500. so here हमारा return down value on 1st 1st Jan 2016 is how much? 22,500. And we are selling at what price? 20,000. That means actual price कितना होना चाहिए था उसका? 22,500. But we are selling it at 20,000. That means there is a loss on sale of a truck, that is 2,500. Okay. So here हम लोग जब सेल करते हैं, okay, so here the entry will be cash that is coming inside the business. Okay, so and what is happening here? We are selling that, and when we are selling there is a loss for us. So that is 1st Jan 2016 by bank account कितने को सेल किया? 20,000 को. Loss on sale of the asset is how much? 2,500. Okay, and now comes the depreciation. Depreciation कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? So the depreciation will be now there are altogether 4 assets. Out of that one asset has been already sold. So हमारे ट्रक का कितना है? 625. Okay, of the first asset. Okay, then the second asset कितना है हमारा? It is coming to plus 625 plus the third asset is 625 plus fourth asset का कितना है हमारा? 1,875. So this is the calculation. So it comes to 7,500. The depreciation which has been calculated, that is 7,500. सो ये हो गया हमारे पहले साल का. नाउ द सेकेंड ईयर द मशीनरी हैज़ बीन फुल्ली यूज्ड. ओके, वो हो गया हमारे फर्स्ट साल का. डेट इज 625 द अमाउंट विच वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड, दैट वाज फॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर. बट नाउ इट हैज़ बीन यूज फॉर फुल ईयर, मतलब हम लोग उसका पूरा डेप्रिसिएशन निकालेंगे. सो हम लोग कैसे निकालेंगे उसका पूरा डेप्रिसिएशन? 25,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10/100 will give you how much? 2,500. So here we are having already 3 machineries with us. Okay, हमारे पास already कितने मशीनरी है? 3 मशीनरी है. So sorry, 3 ट्रक है. We are having already 3 ट्रक. So when it is 3 ट्रक, it is how much? It is 7,500. ओके, 7,500 क्या है? हमारे 3 मशीनरी जो है उसका अमाउंट है. ओके, एंड द मशीनरी विच इज़ ऑलरेडी सोल्ड. ओके, हम लोगों ने जो मशीनरी है वो ऑलरेडी सेल किया हुआ है, लेकिन उसका हम लोगों ने डेप्रिसिएशन यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करके लिखा हुआ है. ओके, सो दैट डेप्रिसिएशन इज हाउ मच? व्हाट वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड इज 1,875. Okay, so here the depreciation will be calculated how much? Sorry, by depreciation account 1,875. the machinery जो मशीनरी हम लोगों ने सोल्ड किया उसका डेप्रिसिएशन फर्स्ट लिखेंगे. ओके, देन बाय बैंक अकाउंट 20,000. बाय लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ द ट्रक इज 500 एंड द डेप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द 3 मशीनरी विच इज़ रिमेनिंग, क्योंकि उसका एक मशीनरी हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी सेल किया हुआ है, तो ओनली 3 आर रिमेनिंग. सो 3 मशीनरी ट्रक का हम लोग क्या करेंगे? फुल्ली कैलकुलेट करेंगे. दैट इज 25,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10% will give you 2,500. that is of each machinery. Now we are having 3, sorry, not machinery, sorry for the inconvenience because every time I say machinery, it is truck. So 25,000 के 3 ट्रक जो हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट ऑन 3, दैट इज 2,500 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 विल गिव यू 7,500. ओके, सो दिस इज द थिंग. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज व्हाट? हम लोगों को डेबिट साइड टोटल करना है, क्रेडिट साइड टोटल करना है. सो डेबिट साइड हमारे कितना आता है? 97,500. क्रेडिट साइड इज हाउ मच? 1,875, 20,000, 2,500 and 7,500. So it is 31,875. So you are having a difference on the credit side. So 31st March 2016 by balance credit down, that is 97,000 minus the credit balance. Okay, will give you 65,625. ओके, सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस. सो दिस डिफरेंस हम लोग क्या करेंगे, नेक्स्ट ईयर को ब्रॉट डाउन करेंगे. दैट इज 2016 अप्रैल 1 टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन 65,625. ओके, ये हो गया हमारा बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. नाउ there is one more thing, that is on 1st July 2016 another truck purchased for rupees 25,000 on 1st Jan 2015 was sold for rupees 22,000. So let's see हम लोग क्या करना है यहाँ पे, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट ऑन सेल ऑफ ट्रक ऑन 1st July 2016. Now the truck was purchased on which year? It was purchased for 25,000. ओके, हम लोगों ने कितने में परचेज किया था? 25,000 लेस 10% डेप्रिसिएशन. नाउ डेप्रिसिएशन फॉर द फर्स्ट ईयर. ओके, जो ट्रक हम लोगों ने परचेज किया था उसका फर्स्ट ईयर का डेप्रिसिएशन कितना था? 625. सेकेंड ईयर का डेप्रिसिएशन कितना है? ये पूरा यूज हुआ है ना. द थर्ड ईयर का डेप्रिसिएशन जो है हम लोग कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? डेट इज इट इज सोल्ड ऑन 1st July, बीच में सोल्ड किया हुआ है. सो 25,000. नाउ ईयर स्टार्ट्स ऑन विच ईयर? 1st April 2016. सो अप्रैल, मई, जून, क्योंकि इट इज सोल्ड ऑन 1st July, सो ओनली 3 months. सो 3 divided by 12 multiply by 10 upon 100 will give you 625. So इसका डेप्रिसिएशन कितना है फॉर 3 years? दैट इज 625, 2,500, 625. ओके, सो ईयर द डेप्रिसिएशन इज how much? 3,750. दैट इज 625, 2,500, अगेन 625. ओके, सो रिटर्न डाउन वैल्यू कितना आता है? 25,000 माइनस 3,750 कितना आता है? इट कम्स टू 21,250. And the selling price is how much? It is 22,000. So we have made a profit of rupees how much? 750. Actually the selling price कितना था? 22,000. और इसका return down value कितना है? 21,250. That means we are selling at a profit. Okay. Then again there is one more thing, that is a new machinery, a new truck which was purchased for rupees 40,000 and it was purchased on 1st Jan 2017. अगेन इट इज यूज फॉर ओनली फ्यू मंथ्स. ओके, तो हम लोगों ने कब परचेज किया था? इट वॉज परचेज ऑन 1st Jan. सो 40,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 upon 100 multiply by months it is used. So 1st Jan to Feb, Feb to March, March to 31st March. So again it is used for 3 months. Okay, तो हम लोगों ने ये मशीनरी सिर्फ 3 महीने के लिए यूज़ किया है. So when the machinery is used for 3 months, okay, the amount which you get, okay, the profit which you get, the machinery which is used for 3 months, okay, उसका जो amount है वो है, it is the machinery which is purchased on 1st, that is 0,000,034. So it is coming to 1,000. हम लोगों ने कितने में ये किया है? दैट मशीनरी का डेप्रिसिएशन कितना होगा? 1,000, क्योंकि इट इज परचेज इन बिटवीन. सो बाय टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन 65,625 and then the depreciation account, that is the machinery which is being sold. Okay, उसका depreciation कितना है? 625. So here 625. okay, then by bank account the machinery sold, कितने में सोल्ड किया? 22,000 को. okay, then there is a profit, that is on 2016 July 1 to profit on sale of truck 750. okay, again another truck was purchased on Jan 1 to bank account 40,000. okay, then the depreciation of the remaining, that is दो जो हमारे ट्रक थे उसमें से 2 ट्रक है ऑलरेडी. ओके, वी आर हैविंग 2 ट्रक विथ अस ऑलरेडी एंड द मशीनरी का जो नया मशीनरी लाया उसका. सो अराउंड इट कम्स टू 6,000 rupees. ओके, that is your the depreciation, the amount is 1,000 plus the depreciation of rupees 2,500. okay, and the depreciation of the remaining two trucks, that is 2500 will give you 6000. okay, so here the amount is of depreciation of the remaining truck is amounting to rupees 6000. Now what we are supposed to do, we have to see the total of both the side, that is 65,625 plus 750 plus 40,000, 1,06,375, and here it is 22,000 plus 6,000 plus 625 will give you 28,625. So when 28,625 is deducted from 1,06,375, we get 77,750, the balancing amount. okay, so it will be 2016 March 31 balancing amount, to balance carried down 77,750. The next year it will be 2017 April 1, to balance brought down 77,750. This is how you are supposed to prepare the truck account. Next is they told you to prepare the depreciation account also. okay, so it is depreciation for the first year, that is of all the machinery. okay, चारों के चारों मशीनरी के depreciation कितना आता है 2500. so here see depreciation by depreciation account 2500. so depreciation account में 31st March 2015 to truck account 2500, and this will go to profit and loss account. so March 2015 31st by profit and loss account 2500. नेक्स्ट इज फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर, दैट इज 2016. यहाँ पे देखो डेप्रिसिएशन इज 1875. सो Jan 1 टू ट्रक अकाउंट 1875, एंड अगेन देर इज अ डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन 31st March, that is 7500. so March 31st to truck account 7500, and in profit and loss account it will be 9375, total of both the side. so 2016 March 31st by profit and loss account 9375, total of both the side 9375. Then the last year, that is 2016, it is depreciation July 1 by depreciation account 625, and again for the next year, the year when it ends, that is on 31st March. okay, it will be March 31st by depreciation account, the depreciation of the remaining asset, that is 6000. so 6000 plus 625, okay, will give you 6625, and this amount will be transferred to the profit and loss account, that is 2017 March 31st by profit and loss account 6625. okay, so this is how you are supposed to prepare the accounts, and you have to show all the working notes with clear details of each and every machinery, otherwise you will lose your marks. so in the next class we will see the second method of depreciation, that is calculating depreciation by written down value method.